Саламатсыздар ма? The next video lesson is about literature review and academic writing. And the aim of this video lesson is to teach students to analyze research literature. In the lesson outcomes, students will be able to do literature review by creating a search strategy. Also, students will learn how to avoid plagiarism and citing sources. First of all, what is literature review? Literature review is a descriptive and analytic summary of the existing material relating to a particular topic or area of study. It involves a systematic examination of prior scholarly work. And steps of literature review, as you can see, choose the topic. The second is identify databases and resources. The third, search and refine. Then read and analyze. And the last point, it is writing the review. The sources of the literature review. First, academic journals. Then you can use conference proceedings, government reports, books, articles, popular writings, and authentic resources available in internet about your research topic. And here we have the guidelines for analyzing research literature. Again, the first thing is understanding the research question. Before diving into analyzing research literature, it's essential to have a clear understanding of a research question. Then develop a search strategy. Start your literature review by creating a search strategy in order to identify relevant research articles and sources. This part involves selecting appropriate keywords and conduct systematic search. Perform a systematic search using the search strategy developed in the previous step. Here, I mean using academic databases, search engines, and online repositories to locate relevant articles, books, and other sources. Next guideline is evaluation of the quality and validity. Once you have collected a range of sources, it's important to evaluate their quality critically. Consider facts such as author's expertise, publication, the methodology employed, and the relevance of the findings. Next guideline, it's identifying key terms, themes, and concepts. Here, I mean, you have to identify key concepts, arguments that emerge. Look for the similarities, differences, look for the patterns, and take note of any contrasting views. Next guideline, it is organizing your findings. Because it's crucial to organize your findings in a clear and systematic manner. Another guideline is comparing and contrast literature. Try to compare and contrast different sources that you have examined, noting about similarities, differences, and also about conflicting viewpoints. Next guideline is identifying gaps in the literature. Try to identify any gaps or any areas where further research is needed. That's why try to highlight topics or questions that haven't been explored yet where conflicting evidence exists. Then interpret and discuss findings, because it's important to interpret and discuss your findings in relation to your research question. The last guideline is providing recommendation for future research. Conclude your literature review by providing recommendations. Identify further investigation that is needed and try to give suggestions about potential research directions. If you follow all these guidelines and strategies, you will be able to analyze research literature effectively. You can provide a solid foundation for your own research, for your own academic writing. So another one important thing is a question of plagiarism. How we can avoid plagiarism and citing sources. First of all, here we need to answer the question, what is plagiarism? Plagiarism, it is unauthorized or unacknowledged use of another person's academic and scholarly work. Done on purpose, it is cheating. Done accidentally, it's no less serious. Usually plagiarism occurs when an individual uses someone's ideas, words, works without acknowledgement. So here we also have some tips for you how you can avoid plagiarism. The first, citing the original source. When including information, ideas, or quotes from external sources, always identify the original source and provide proper citation. Paraphrasing. Paraphrasing involves restating someone else's ideas or information in your own words. Even when paraphrasing, it's crucial to provide proper attribution by citing the original source. Quoting. Always enclose direct quotes with quotation marks and provide the appropriate citation. Importance of citation in academic writing. Properly citing sources is crucial for several reasons. First, acknowledgement. Citations give credit to the original authors or researchers. Verification. Citations allow readers to trace the information back to its original source. Contextualization. Citations provide a broader context for your own work by highlighting existing research. So again, by understanding the significance of avoiding plagiarism and citing sources correctly, you can maintain your academic integrity and contribute to the advancement of knowledge in your field. For the progress questions, please answer these two questions. How can we develop a search strategy in writing your paper? What is the most useful information you have discovered about importance of citations in academic writing?